Hi everyone, today we are live. I'm at my studio after a long time, so I just wanted to show you guys the collection in person because sometimes we get questions like are these though I post the videos, but then sometimes I get questions like are these videos edited or not, and how will the fabric be. So I thought to directly connect you with my collection, and then you can actually have a look. So I'll just take you around. So this is the lehenga section, if you guys can see. So this is our lehenga section, the Banarsis, the beautiful Banarsis. I'll be taking out one of these today and showing you how the lehenga looks. So you can see. So this is the lehenga weave. And our lehengas, as I told. Hi everybody, thanks for joining in. And so I am showing you this beautiful Banarsi Shikarga lehenga, if you can see. The peacock motifs. And the reason it is called Shikarga is because it has a lot of animal motifs. I'll just take you at the back side of this lehenga. So this lehenga is semi-stitched, and if you can see, then this is the back side and how the threads are neatly weaved. And it is a Meenedar lehenga. So basically Meenedar lehenga is a lehenga where there's zari and threads along. Hi everybody, I'm so glad that on a surprise video also everybody's joined and waving. And if you have any queries, then you can just put up your queries. If you want to see anything, then I'll show you. I am at my studio today. This lehenga is in red color, if all of you can see. It's in a red color, but then the base color is not highlighted much. I've put the same design on my dummy today for you guys to see. Yes, so it is on the dummy also. The blouse of the red one will also be the same. It will also have this animal pattern. You can see there's a deer and a peacock. And this is the lehenga. So as you can see, this lehenga is in dark navy blue color, but then the base color is not much visible. Reason being that the zari is taking over the color. I have teamed up this lehenga with this pink dupatta, which has these peacock motifs to go with our lehenga. Many people ask me, are these actually handloom products or not? So the dupatta will just speak for itself, because had it not been a handloom dupatta, the pleating would not have been this neat. If you guys can see, then you just can see a close-up of how neatly the pleats are done. And honestly, I've not used any safety pins, any clips, nothing on to tie this dupatta up. The length of this lehenga is perfect, and the ghera is also 5 meters. And right now when it is on a dummy, it does not have any can or anything. I'm glad everybody is joining. I'm so happy. If you guys have any questions, then please put them up for us. I'll just show you the blouse. When we talk about the blouse piece of this lehenga has these borders also. These borders can be used on the dupatta. You may just simply take a plain net dupatta or a georgette dupatta, and you may just, yes, we can put can on any of the lehengas. Actually, the lehenga on the dummy is semi-stitched, and once we stitch it to your size, we ask you for preferences, and we can stitch it the way you want it. We can put the can and we cannot put the can because sometimes people don't like can in Banarsi lehengas. So yes, the can be added. So if you can see, then this lehenga blouse has these borders. These borders can be put on the dupatta. You may use a net dupatta or a georgette dupatta to put these borders, and like instead of the pink dupatta I've used here, you may just simply use a georgette or a knit dupatta to go with the lehenga. So this is one particular design I showed you from my collection today. Hope you all liked it, and if you've really liked it, then please post us your comments and do give us your suggestions. What would you like to see from our studio next time we are live? Thank you guys. Thank you for joining. Bye bye.